Hi, today we'll be looking into managing document numbers in AutoCount accounting. So there are many ways you can actually use this feature to manage your system better, and today we'll be looking into managing document numbers based on the year and the month. In my consult, we actually find this feature especially useful in managing payment vouchers and journal vouchers because if you will need to backdate any transactions, your number sequence would definitely not be mixed up. To do this, what we need to do is we need to come to here, General Maintenance. We need to come to Document Number Format Maintenance. Go to GL, go to Cash Payment. So let's say we want to use the PV default, press Edit. So coming here, we will just need to come in and we will need to type this. Add year, month, close bracket. Let's say we put a slash here. So we don't so many numbers, we actually can reduce the number sequence. And of course, we will need to take each month with different running set number. So we are good, we will press OK. So once we are done, now let's see how we can check whether this is correct. So once you're done, we close this. We go to GL, we go to cash flow entry. We'll press new payment voucher. So straight away you can see the PV number here is 2005, will represent year 2020 May. So if we want to change this, let's say we change this to 10th of April, the system will automatically change it to 2004. And if we change this to say 10th of April 2019, the system will also change it to 2019-04. Alright? Okay, so if you think this is very helpful, click the like and subscribe button so that you will know whenever we release a new how-to guide for your accounting system. Thank you.